Well, good morning and welcome to another video by Asgard Studios. Glad you guys are sticking around. I appreciate it. This morning I'm flying downtown in my home city of Brockville. And as you can see, it's a beautiful little downtown. This is the courthouse and the town square. Now, what I wanted to fly around this morning is that statue. So they call her Sally Grant, although I don't think it was actually a real person. She's the Statue of Justice carved back, I think, in 1850. I'll put a link in the description if anybody's curious, but I've always found it such a beautiful statue to take pictures of from a distance. So anyway, I thought it was kind of fun this morning to be able to fly around her and check it out. Now, you notice the bonus for getting up so early in the morning. I think this is about 5:30. There's no people, right? And where I live, it's a busy little tourist town, and now it's kind of tourist season just kicking off. So it's a real treat to have the whole downtown to myself like this. Now, there's a couple of people walking around, but virtually empty. And as always, be responsible, fly legally. I'm flying a sub 250 gram, essentially toy drone here, so yeah, look at this square. Beautiful fountains, just lovely. And the light at this time of day was just having the colors popping. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. If you like them, please share them widely and far and tell your friends. And I really appreciate your support. And I'll see you on the next video. I'll let some music run, and there's a few minutes left of some good footage, so enjoy, folks. Talk to you soon.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called a cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough, and maybe time will make you fade, but I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, but honestly I can't remember if you love me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let her go. She got herself a guy, and he's good, no he's great. Everything she wanted packed behind the pretty face. But I kinda hope he breaks her heart into little pieces and let me pick them all back up and put them back together. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. But honestly I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now. What if I just wanna be with you? Oh, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, but honestly I can't remember if you loved me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let it go. But what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. Honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I do when I think about you now.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed